If you want to know how Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam came to fight discrimination, then you ought to study the biography of Bilal, the mu'adhin of Rasulullah, the companion of Rasulullah. If you think people are prejudiced or racist in the West, then try reading history of the Arabs in the Arabian Peninsula 1,400 years ago. Every single one of them were racist. And Rasulullah was given a task. What was his task? Go and eliminate racism from the society. I tell you, you needed 2,000 prophets together to do that. That just one task of Rasulullah literally needed 2,000 prophets. But Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam single-handedly accepted this overwhelming task to fight racism within the Arabian Peninsula and with the most racist of people.